Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time I've decided to do 3 unboxings for you. And yeah, we've just got, it's literally back-to-back purchases. I've got 2 purchases today that I've just made. So my husband made one at Bottega Veneta. He just couldn't resist it, and I just couldn't resist mine. My package is just right here, as well as last week's purchase as well. I think I've been waiting for last week's purchase for like the last 6 months, so I just would love to share them with you directly. And if you've got any questions on the bags, you want me to do maybe some reviews, in-depth reviews on all like the bags, just let me know down the comment section. But yes, I would love to unbox it with you. Probably what I'll start off with would be perhaps today's purchase. So yeah, I just this was really an impulse purchase. I got this when it was like the last place, and I just decided, okay, let's just go to Chanel and let's just browse. And you know, now with like the whole coronavirus thing in Singapore, there's really not many foreigners, and I think probably that's the reason why you do see quite a bit of stocks for like the limited edition pieces. So this particular one actually came in, it was like 2 pieces in the store, and it just came in today. So you probably would still have it at Marina Bay Sands if you're ever in, if you're in Singapore. This is still in Singapore. This is still available as of today. So there's 1 more piece. Yeah, so, and I immediately fell in love. Like, I know that I'm just such a sucker with like small leather goods, right? And okay, yeah, I've given it away. So this is like the care card, and yeah, this is like the first time I'm receiving like a small little care card, and comes in this piece. Yay! Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, so this is I don't even know what this is called, but this can actually put my phone in there, and the zippy is like smooth, just like leather, and I could put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card case, like 5 cards behind. And I was just asking the essay, like, why can I use this for, right? I mean, well, I could put my handphone in here, or I could put like my coins as well as my any like kind of cash in there. This is actually made in Italy, and this is the authenticity card. So this retails currently for $1,030 Singapore dollars, and it comes in champagne. Sorry, it's actually silver hardware all over, and it's like in a nice camellia print. This is like my first piece that is in a camellia print, and I absolutely just love this piece. I think this is a classic. It actually has got 2 colors. So they have got one in a really like a baby pink shade, but I think, you know, in terms of small leather goods and in terms of like, you know, I know that I'm not gonna baby this too much. I'm just going to carry it around with me a lot, so I don't want to really use like a pink one. So this is just absolutely stunning. I love it. So the next piece that I would love to share with you would be my husband's piece, and yeah, he's just got something from Bottega, and this is his favorite brand of all time, hands down his favorite brand. I don't think that there's any other brands that he loves. Well, I think he does love like Farah Lepa, and he's got like a small leather good, like a wallet from that brand. But yeah, it's beautiful. And guess what he got? And I had to like, you know, he's someone who's not really into luxury goods, but for him to say yes to this particular thing, you probably would love it. Yeah, so it's in green. So this is actually a accessories kind of piece where you could actually pin it on, you know, like if you've got like a bag, right? One of those, and it's like a guy bag. You could use it as like a key holder. You could kind of put it on a zippy thing, and so it's easier to pull. You can put it on like a backpack as well, just, you know, so that, yeah, it's just cute. It's like a nice piece. Or he could actually use it almost like a pouch thing. So if he's got like a nice kind of A4 pouch, you could just kind of use it. But yeah, or like a iPad pouch, and you could just kind of use this chain. So this retails for 480 Singapore dollars. And yeah, we've got like some vouchers from MBS because we do shop at MBS quite a lot, and they've got like tons of promotions right now. So if you spend like above 600 bucks, you get like 40 bucks free, like 40 bucks of like cash vouchers. So yeah, do check out. I think since like the whole virus thing is just affecting, you know, the retail luxury industry so much, like these past months. But yeah, this is what he got. So I'm really happy with his purchase. And the third purchase that I got, and this was really hands down, you know, the almost like I've been waiting for this for 6 months. And you know, the SA Sarah from this brand is just completely such a nice person. Sarah actually works in the MBS boutique in Singapore. So if you're ever around the area and you plan to go to, you know, MBS for some shopping in Christian Dior, do check her out. I personally think that so far the whole sales experience and the whole customer service experience from a luxury brand firm perspective, so far I think that Christian Dior has the best sales associate, hands down. And today's experience would be Bottega Veneta, and the third really would be Chanel. Unfortunately, perhaps it's high traffic for them, you know, for Chanel. They can't really attend or give TLC to all the customers, and it just feels like I'm buying like a mess, like a 50 bucks bag for Chanel. But I just feel like the customer service for Christian Dior, and I think I probably gave the brand away, but it's by far the best. So this is my purchase. I just completely love this piece. This is a smaller tote, and this is probably gonna come in June, May, June. They come in various different colors, and yeah, I think if you just Google Christian Dior Spring Summer 2020, you'll be able to see a few variations of this canvas. It's called Christian Dior tote bag, and this is in a smaller version, and this piece fits me just perfectly. I think in terms of the size, I think the larger piece is just too big for me, and this I could literally go traveling with it. This is how high this piece is, and how high this piece is. This is the length, the height. Okay. And yeah, I didn't do any customization because I just feel like I don't want people to know my name. And there isn't any legs underneath, but there's like canvas all around. There's this little tiger thing. Is it a tiger? If y'all know what this is, please just let me know what animal this is. I think it's a tiger. Should be. Yep. And yeah, you've got some monkeys. You've got some snakes. What else? Yeah, we've got another tiger, leopard, whatever. Let me know in the comment what you think it is. And so yeah, I think this is just a beautiful piece. You know, I just love the embroidery. You know, they've got two in the stores, and yeah, I chose this one because the other one had a little bit of a slight defect, or maybe a little bit of a, it's not exactly perfect, right? I mean, if you're spending so much money on a bag, and you know, you obviously want it to be almost in pristine condition. So yeah, the story is that, you know, Sarah mentioned that there was two pieces in the store. and you know, they just arrived, so you know, for shipments they do come as and when, I think. And you know, once once you establish that relationship with an SA, and then that person will probably share with you that, you know, hey, your bag is here, you know, just feel free to drop by and get it. But I actually made a deposit for a gray version of this. They've got a pink version as well. They've got some other variations, but I just love this particular style. I've already started using my Sermoga bag organizer inside. So guys, if you want to get this bag or like a tote, I really strongly encourage you to get a bag organizer. You don't have to get a Sermoga, but I mean, if you've got any form of bag organizers, you really have to get it, because the thing I've tried using, just putting like a water bottle in, you know, my phone, and I don't really carry a lot, but I could really feel the bottom go down a little bit. Yeah, even with the bag organizer. All right, so you can imagine that, you know, let's say if you don't even put any bag organizers inside, the whole thing, like over maybe 3-4 years, if you use it every single day, it's probably going to drop. Yeah, so it's just to take note. And if you want a really an in-depth video about this bag, just let me know. I've really started using it for a week and I just love it. It just pairs so nicely with casual, smart casual. I could take it to work if I wanted to. But yeah, it's really sturdy and it's amazing. It's beautiful. And yeah, that's about it for my unboxing. And if you would love to see some more videos and full bag reviews of what I have, I would love to share it with you. And I think it's just more of sharing information, and just if you before you want to buy any bags, I mean, that's how I educate myself as well, right? I mean, there's so many YouTube videos out there about bags, unboxings, and all these things. But if you want to see a bit more in-depth review on the bag, just let me know and we can just share as much information as possible with each other. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. But thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.